Okay, today we're gonna make blueberry rice flour muffin. It's gonna be good. Let's go. Let's start with the rice flour. You're gonna need 2 cups of that. You're gonna need a cup of milk, oat milk, whatever you want, whatever your preference is. Almond milk, it doesn't matter. 3 eggs, 6 tablespoons of butter, and 1.5 cups of blueberries. Start with your milk and eggs first into the mixer. Then you're gonna put the butter, then your rice flour, lastly, the blueberries. 375, 18 minutes. End result, if you can smell the kitchen, woohoo!